Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way. Lesson 31b. Practice of Suratul Fil, verses 1 to 3. Let's take Tajweed tip number 31. Work on taking deep breaths. That is, practice deep breaths that come from the depth of your stomach. Inhale for 8 counts, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, slowly. And then exhale for 8 counts. And that way you will get a good control. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بأصحاب الفيل. ألم. Should be clear. Don't say ألم. ألم. ترى. Ta is thin, ra is thick. Repeat after me. ترى. ترى. كيف. It's not كيف. It is كيف. Repeat. كيف. كيف. فعل. Ain should be clear. ربك. Ra is thick. And ba is thin. So say Rabbuka. Rabbuka. Bi ashabil fil. Bi a is here. A and sad is there. As. Don't say as. Say as. And then ha again is thin. Ha. Bi ashabi. Repeat. Bi ashabi. Al fil. There is mad there. Fi. And when you stop, you can have 3 options. You can stretch with 2, double stretch or more, but we'll take just 2 stretch. Bi ashabil fil, like that. So repeat after me. Alam tara kayfa fa'ala rabbuka bi ashabil fil. Alam tara kayfa fa'ala rabbuka bi ashabil fil. Alam yaj'al kaydahum fi tadlil. Alam. A should be clear. Don't say alam. Alam. Yaj'al. Qalqala is there. So don't say yaj'al. Yaj'al. Repeat. Yaj'al. Yaj'al. Kaydahum. It's not kaydahum. Kaydahum. Repeat. Kaydahum. Kaydahum. Fi. Mad is there. Tad. Ta is here and dad is very thick and high. Tad. Okay. Tad and then li. And of course you're stopping there, so leel, and you can stop 3 ways. You can stretch more. So repeat after me. Alam yaj'al kaydahum fi tadlil. Alam yaj'al kaydahum fi tadlil. Wa arsala alayhim tayran ababil. Wa. Make lips round and then open. Wa. Arsala. A should be very clear. Arsala. Wa arsala no. Wa arsala. And ra is thick. Ar. So repeat after me. Arsala. 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 Wa arsala. Wa arsala alayhim. Again it's not la. Tayran. Ta is there. Tayran. Ababil. Repeat. وأرسل عليهم طيرا أبابيل. وأرسل عليهم طيرا أبابيل. That's it. Assalamu alaikum.